The cabin filter is located behind the glove box door and requires uninstalling the glove box. Open the glove box. Remove the 6 Phillips head screws around the edge of the glove box assembly. Remove the screw in the very back of the glove box using an extended screwdriver. Grab and pull on the glove box to release the tabs from the catch so you can remove the glove box assembly and set it on the floor. Lower the glove box. Careful not to stress the hoses and wires still connected. To remove the filter housing door, unclip the side and pull the door to the right. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box assembly by aligning their tabs with their catch. Reinstall the screws. Close the glove box.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.